Welcome to today's video. Just one careless moment, one wrong decision, and everything can change. Intense situations and unpredictable consequences will keep you on edge. Watch. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. He drives like he's speedrunning life. His car is more unpredictable than my ex. Bro's driving makes roller coasters look like a smooth ride. His turn signals are just there for decoration. Every lane is a fast lane if you bleed hard enough. If there was a leaderboard for worst drivers, his car insurance company probably has him on a VIP list for all the wrong reasons. He'd be top 3 and not number 3. Even Google Maps refuses to reroute for him. Bro got his license from a vending machine. His driving style is just close your eyes and hope for the best. Even his shadow is afraid to follow his car. This guy treats sidewalks like emergency lanes. His gas pedal and brake pedal are in an ongoing custody battle. Every time he parks, a parking lot loses its sanity. He drives like he's trying to outrun his responsibilities. His passengers start praying before he even starts the engine. Bro's car should come with a proceed with caution warning. His idea of parallel parking is just hoping for the best. He drives like he's starring in an action movie without the stunt double. Every ride with him is a near-death experience. His car insurance rates must look like a phone number. Bro drives like he's got cheat codes for real life. His GPS voice probably sighs before every trip. He thinks brake is short for break the speed limit. Even NASCAR drivers would be concerned about his choices. His driving instructor probably retired immediately after his test. His car should come with a built-in "sorry for him" sign. His idea of slowing down is just slightly closing one eye. He thinks the speed limit is just a polite suggestion. If send it was a driving technique, he invented it. Even road signs brace themselves when they see him coming. His car's suspension is currently writing its will. Bro's driving skills are the reason insurance companies have disclaimers. His brake lights work, but only when it's too late. Every time he changes lanes, traffic reports get updated. His car runs on gas, adrenaline, and bad decisions. He drives like he's got a bounty on his head. Even bumper cars are driven with more caution than this. His car swerves more than my life choices. Every time he drives, the roads update their difficulty level. His license should come with a use at your own risk warning. He's proof that driving exams need to be harder. Even video game NPCs drive better than him. He drives like traffic laws are a conspiracy theory. His car should come with a hazard to public safety badge. His gas pedal is just an on-off switch. His passengers experience more G-force than astronauts. He drives like his car is late for work. Even roller coaster engineers would be scared of his driving. Driving makes turbulence on a plane feel smooth. Even pigeons know to fly away when they see him coming. His car moves like it has a personal vendetta against physics. Every red light he sees is just a challenge accepted moment. Bro drives like he's in a video game, but forgot there's no reset button. His passengers scream more than people on a haunted house ride. He drives like a student who just learned about inertia in physics class. His car must have an auto-destruct countdown every time he starts the engine. Even stunt drivers are taking notes from this guy. His steering wheel is just for decoration at this point. Every time he parks, his tires take a moment to reflect on life. Bro thinks he's in a police chase, but no one's chasing him. His car is in a toxic relationship with road safety. Even the speed bumps are afraid to slow him down. His driving test was probably just a handshake and a good luck. The only thing scarier than his driving is his confidence while doing it. He makes every road feel like a racetrack. His GPS must have a panic mode just for him. If Weckless was a brand, he'd be their ambassador. Every time he merges, the entire highway population holds their breath. Even speed cameras get confused by his movements. He drives like he just stole the car. His brakes and gas pedal must have trust issues. Bro's car has seen things it can't talk about. Even taxis refuse to compete with him. His car is basically a moving jump scare. He thinks the right-of-way applies only to him. Even roller coasters have more controlled drops than his braking technique. If his tires could talk, they'd be screaming. His turn signal is a mythical creature, heard of but never seen. The only safe distance around him is another zip code. His driving instructor probably changed careers after meeting him. His driving makes traffic cones rethink their purpose in life. Even pedestrians feel like they're in a boss battle when he's on the road. He drives like he's got Mario Kart power-ups in his trunk.